Hello, Ken here, and today I'm going to do a really quick video on how to change out the clamp bolts on the clamps that we sell. So all the parts that we sell hardware for. Like the clamps, we sell the bolt, the springs, the washers. It's not very often that you need to change out a clamp bolt, but it has happened. So we do sell clamp bolts in 2 packs. So we have a rounded head one, which would be on the CSF clamps. So you can see like right here, these are also coarse thread bolt. We also have on the CSF 28s, and the 28 is for 28 threads per square inch, which is a fine thread bolt. These are a flathead bolt, which would be right here. And our CSB, CSL, and CSL XL clamps all use a little longer bolt than the CSF, and it's a rounded bolt. So we have these, and they're right here. So okay, so we've got the bolt. What do? How do you change it? Take all the parts off. We do put a little bit of Loctite on the bolt, so generally the bolt is going to stay in the clamp, although it's not, shouldn't be frozen. But if you have one that you've had for a long time, you may have to heat up some water, get it boiling, put this in there so it sits for a little bit, and the heat will help loosen up the Loctite. Put it in something to hold. You could put it in a vise if you want, but make sure you don't use the jaws on the vise. Try to put like a rag or whatever. Take a Phillips head screwdriver, not a little tip screwdriver, because it's really too small. It doesn't fit in there good. Use one that's a bigger Phillips head. Put it in, loosen it up, take it out, put the new one in. If you have some Loctite, put a little Loctite on the threads on the bolt as you put it in. You only need to put the Loctite right here. You don't put it everywhere else, just right here. Put it on and you're all set. So changing the bolt's pretty easy. Also, if you have questions, you're not sure, give us a call. I'm always happy to help. Other than that, happy diving and have a great day.